pero ito man ka namin ako yung tinutuan guys. So, mutang-mutang patula, may balagay, may balatong, may okra, may tagabang, pinangkasbak ng ano ka balatong, may gamay na kapayas, o diba? From the yard, pretty much. Ang balagay lang yung bakal ko sa ano, tapos bundan ko parang ka ano ba ano. Ano siya malunggay. Saan pa kayo dyan? Picture.
It will. You put the,
So we just started that. This morning is almost
he can be
done.
done with, yeah.
probably get
Done
but
by tomorrow.
he said he go get this done and then he go do the floor. So after the floor he's all done upstairs.
Yeah.
And guys, we are at St. John's waiting for Ate Elvis. Came with me. Where she is? She's hiding. And then I'm eating boiled banana nilagang saging. Tinanok ng saging. Saba. And I am we are vlogging, I guess. We're waiting for Ate. It's 3:51 and she comes out 4:10, I guess. Eating banana. It's so good, huh? The girls like this. Ginbilin ka man daging klamsa. Drug call ba?
Kasi patanda.
Ilam ka ng dakaran.
Tagaan ka mga tawo. Ni patanda
Oo,
mo.
drug call.
Itaw ko mo. Kasi lutuon na ruman.
Base, no? Paluadon pa mo? Okay. Ang pala yan, auntie.
Lutuon na tatanda ruman. Balik na talaga kami.
And
Dagani.
our malunggay right here. Tiyo, sana ring singrang tiyo.
Iday lang.
Okay, let's go.
Give me the car key. I'm gonna sit in the car. I don't need to go upstairs.
Ano pala pa ka? Ay!
Ito may times ko din din lang.
Oo.
Di ba lang may ko?
Ay lang, ako lang dyan po. So we here in Iloilo now. Lapas. Then motorcycles can't wait, oh.
None of people can wait.
We are gonna pick up some tiles. Because we are getting more floor tiles. Which one is the best?
Isn't this a floor right there?
Yeah,
Right there?
I think it's this one.
Oh, yeah. I don't know now.
I'm not sure.
I'm confused.
I think it's this one.
I'll keep.
May busong. Or a stand-up mirror.
Put some over there so I even it out. Yeah, see that. See that. Salam.
We're getting water from this.
See, this truck is leaning. Looks like it's load shift to just one side.
Loads containers.
Just same.
Forklift.
Oh wow. There's even a guy on top of it.
Ayan guys. We unloaded the pipes. You can't see. Eh. Unloaded. There. Winds. About 180 tiles. Whew. Ayan guys, it's Saturday morning. Stephanie and I and Auntie going to the market. May vlog. Vlogger. Ayan guys. Buena Vista, Guimaras. Sa likod kita nag-agi ba? There's a lot of shoes over there, oh. May ukay-ukay, oh. Ha? May brown out eh. May brown out man giya. Mabaka kita guro kami.
Hindi niya maalat. Daw medyo basa-basa.
Hindi
niya.
sige lang,
hagay lang.
Nagasa ng dantit nila.
Ayan guys. Steve's Bahay Kubo is almost there. There's the wall design. Looks native. Yes, dapat. There's a nami giyan na. It's too high. It's not vitamin D no more. It's radiation now. Why? Pagod siya.
I will play.
Go.
Mama, sige.
Yeah, boy, D. Look at it.
Wow. Okay. Brown out because it's brown out. Sugba sa isa.
Ay mo, ay toyo mo job ah.
Hindi ako tayo. No. Picturean ko kung ano kung tanawon niya. Kung
Doon sa pawang ulit mo.
ano ang magiging simpawan ang? We'll see. This.
Mag-ulan niya? Hindi na mag-ulan niya tiling mo.
Ay na, hindi. Yung makalukuran kayo na ka dyan. We are going to atsara. Colorful. Bagnas ang papaya.